I'm Ian Porter. I'm principal with Pacific Spirit Properties, the developer of the Watermark project here in Sechelt. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the raft slab that's underway right now. The pour that's happening today is under the main portion of the first phase building. And when it's done, the raft slab will encompass basically the entire site. And right now we're pouring the main component underneath the first phase building, which is right here. And it's bearing the most of the weight for the building, so it's a very, very thick slab, as you've seen. It's up to, I think, 48 inches thick at the deepest part. And then once that's completed, we'll go from there across the site and continue the raft slab until we get to the second phase building, where we'll mirror exactly what's been done in the first phase for the second phase.
We're doing about 750 cubic meters of concrete here. There's 290,000 pounds of steel.
The police station we did, the hospital we just finished, and this is bigger than all of those single pour.
This magnitude of a full top-to-bottom concrete structure is new and exciting for us. And our plant here, sees a lot of residential and smaller scale stuff. We have done some larger stuff in the past, but this is exciting for us because we finally get to use, the optimum of what our plant can do, all our trucks. And so a day like this in particular is great, exciting, and we look forward to doing more of it.